Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these. These are really great for friend mail, Happymail, or even if you just want to store something small. It's just a little pocket. It's a great way to use up your pattern papers, and you need barely any supplies. You certainly don't need any glue or tape or anything like that. It's really easy to do, so I'm just going to show you really quickly. All you need is some paper and a bone folder. This will work for any size paper. You could do it in like tiny little ones, you could do it in 6x6, 8x8, 12x12 if you wanted to. It all depends what you want to put inside as to what size paper to use. This is going to be 8x8 just because I think it will be easier to show you using like an 8x8 piece of paper. But use whatever you have. So you've got your paper, and what we're going to do is we are going to fold. In fact, I'm going to do it this way. Just going to fold diagonally up to the top point like that. Make sure it matches up, and there we go. And I'm just going to burnish that with my bone folder. Okay, then one of the top pieces you're going to bring back down just to the bottom score line. Keep it in the middle and burnish that one. Then we're going to flip that back up. We're going to get this side, and this point here you're going to fold up to the score line here. You're just going to come in till it's butted up next to it, and then just burnish that just like that. Do exactly the same with this one here. So I'm just folding it up till it meets the score line, and I will burnish that one. And then all you do, fold these in on each other, bring that one down, and you've got your pocket. And as you can see, you don't need any glue, it holds itself shut, and then you can just put whatever you like inside. So quick and easy to do. They are ridiculously addictive to make as well. You could decorate it up if you wanted to. You could cut another piece and line the inside. You could line that bit. Whatever you want to do, but they are so quick and easy to do. I really like making them. I think they look great in Happymail, and that's how you make them. So I really hope you've enjoyed this really short, sweet video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow and reach more people, and all I want to do is inspire people and help people and share lovely ideas. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think of these little pockets and if you're going to give them a go. Thanks so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who comes and watches my videos. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.